How do you take full page screen captures of web pages and annotate it? For my tutorials, I'm often needing to take screenshots of a web page. I want to take a shot of the entire web page, including the areas that don't fit the current screen. It doesn't work with just pressing your print screen button. You will need a plugin or extension to your browser. I'm using one that not only lets you take a full page screenshot, but also allows you to annotate it, meaning you can highlight sections and add notes and explanations. It works really well and it's free. Let me show you what I use in a moment. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chill and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion. Okay, I normally develop and design my web page using Chrome, and I log into my WordPress dashboard using Chrome, and that means when I visit a page, it'll be in Chrome as well. But because I'm logged into my WordPress, this shows up. So for screenshot purposes, I don't want this showing up, which is why I use Firefox. I need another browser where I'm not logged in to take my screenshots. I need a screen capture on my Firefox. So let's go over to Firefox. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the Firefox browser and I'm not logged in, so you don't see that WordPress control bar over here. So this is the way I want to take screenshots with my non-logged in WordPress browser. So what we need is a plugin or an add-on or an extension. Same three words for the same thing, that you're adding functionality to your browser, which here is Firefox. Okay, let's go to this menu item and go to add-ons and search for screenshot to find more extensions. Okay, there's quite a few here, and the one I'm using is this one that everybody else is using. Look at this. This has 2 million users. The rest have thousands. What I'm looking for here is something that can capture the whole web page, and this one, yeah, does it. It captures a screenshot of the whole web page, and it has 4 stars. These guys have higher stars, but I don't care. This is tried and tested. So this is the one you'd like to install. I've already installed it, so you'd install it from clicking here. It would say install, I guess, or add. So with that installed, let me show you how it works. Okay, so this is my home page, and that new add-on extension is right here. It looks like a cropping tool, the easy screenshot tool. So to take this entire page, it's not going to take a screenshot just of this. You can if you want, but I want the entire page, including the area where I have to scroll down. I want this all in one shot, one nice image file. So to do that, click on the icon, the easy screenshot icon, and it gives you a choice. Capture web page region, probably just this area that you're seeing. Capture whole web page, that's the one I want. Capture visible web content. I don't know what's the difference between this and this, but I don't care because I need this. Capture whole web page. So click that, and that was quick, right? So now this page, it opens up a new browser page, and you now have tools to work with. Okay, so here is a box maker, rectangular maker. You can adjust the size of your boxes. Here's undo. Let's add my annotation notes first. I'll say logo. Okay, and now I can make the line pointing to that. And so over here I'll do menu. This is just a quick way of doing it, and you don't have to open it in another application like Paint or Photoshop. you can just do it right here to save you time. And this works really well. And also you can do a circular type of highlighting. And let's call it, what do you call this? Title. Okay, so it's so simple. Too bad they just don't have arrows that would have made it easier to like point to things. I could just make my own arrow like this. That works, right? You don't really need an arrow icon if you can just create your own. This tool is for creating, you know, wavy lines. You can just draw whatever you want. And this is like a smudger. If you didn't want something to show, you want to blot out something. Let's blot out this portion here. It's like adding blur to a section. Now it's gone. So cool. Fast, easy, and free. Now you know what tool I use to capture full page web pages and add my annotations. And that's how I can create tutorials about these things. And that's very useful for my tutorials. Okay, so when you're done with your edits, you can save it by clicking here and just saving it wherever you want. And that's it. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success.